Have you ever wondered which programming languages are used in programming aircrafts? This is what we will see in this video in details. First, let's begin with the main programming languages that are generally used in aviation, which are C, C++, and Ada. C and C++ are well known for their low-level hardware control, performance, and reliability, so they are used to program real-time systems in aviation. While Ada, that was developed in the late 70s for the US Department of Defense and is mainly used for safety-critical applications due to its safety and reliability, as it includes features like strong typing, which makes sure that errors are more likely to happen during compilation, not runtime. Now let's take a look at specific devices within the plane and briefly understand their functionality and which programming language is used to program their software. First, the flight control systems, which includes the autopilot that controls the trajectory of an aeroplane without constant hands-on control by the pilot. These systems are often programmed using Ada because of their strong safety and reliability requirements. Navigation systems such as GPS, inertial navigation systems, and flight management systems, which are responsible for the navigation of the plane during the flight. They are often programmed by C and C++ due to their efficiency and performance capabilities. Engine control units, or ECUs, which are systems that control the engine of the plane. These critical systems are programmed in C because of its low-level hardware interaction capabilities, which is important for real-time control of the plane engine. Safety monitoring systems such as collision avoidance systems, which prevent mid-air collisions between aircrafts, use a mix of Ada and C. Ada is chosen for its safety-critical features, while C is used for its performance in processing large amounts of data in real time. In-flight entertainment systems, which are typically integrated into seatback screens, they are often programmed in C++ for its capability to handle graphics and multimedia content efficiently. Keep in mind that each line of code in an aircraft must comply with strict certification standards like DO 178C to ensure that the software meets the safety and reliability requirements needed for flight. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting programming content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.